What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here, it's not over there.
And I had a little noise there which comes from a little corner here. I don't like it, but with a bow 270 euros I'm not okay, but it's kind of okay. This one was a little mistake from Istvan and we fix it now. And so that you see there is this little tiny, the string is first on like this. And then when it moves up, it has to come over this small corner here. What I'm going to do is I'm just scraping off this little edge here. So, see that? Just make it round. Get rid of this corner. So, of course you could use sandpaper, but guess what? In my whole house I don't have sandpaper. So while we're at it, we check the other side too. There's a little bump too, so you just make sure that this bump is gone, that you don't have this mysterious clicking noise here. And with that out of the way, listen. Nothing anymore, you see that? Now the string runs smooth. No noise anymore. And you know what? Awesome bow. Istvan? These small things, you know, they can happen, they should not. It did here in this case, but hey, it's fixed. How long did it take me? 1 minute, because I took my time. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching.